is different. Yeah, I'll wash it myself. So this is a car, Hunter CRV. Let me show you something. So now we're at the where you get your token. So that's our car over there. You might not see it. So I got this token already. You pay $10. Over here is down only, okay? Now we're going to vacuum up the car in the back street. So this is the token. You saw me over there getting the tokens, right? Okay, now I'll put it there. Wait, let me just get it off in case. Now one token. Go, come on! Come on! Let's hurry up. Okay, let's go to the back. Look, I'm cleaning. Sucker, go. Look, sucker. Good. Okay, so now we're done with the vacuum cleaning. We are going to do the out. It's pretty dirty. Look. Okay, I'll put 3 tokens in this thing. Okay, over here where it says token. 1, 2. It will get here if it's wrong. 3. Okay, let's do this. And you must be wondering what it is. If you press it, it will go faster. Look. Now it's open. Now I'm washing the car. So now it's all done. Now we just have to wait till this is done. Now we're done with the car washes. So now it isn't dry. If you have some towel or tissue paper, you can, wipe the mirrors and things. So if you drive all along, it will be shiny, like when you reach home. So it will all be dry. Well, that's the end of this video. Hope you like it. This is Aayansh by Aayansh and subscribe, please. Bye.